Hey, it's Nick, and welcome to another Fat Guy review. This week, Bombfell. And all of the items this month, I'm really excited about. It's sweaters, it's pants, it's button-downs, it's the epitome of everything that I've been shooting for. With Bombfell, you don't get to keep everything, you have to buy each item that you want, but you do get a discount for the more items you buy. 2 items, you get like a 10%, 3 items, 15, and then if you buy everything, you get 20% off of your box. Thank you guys for everyone that's watching my videos and giving me feedback. I'm working on a couple other different videos. I'm trying to figure out a way to branch out the Fat Guy brand. If you have any ideas, drop a comment below. Let me know what videos you want to see me do, and I'll give them a shot. Why not? What do I got to lose? The weird thing about this box this month is that a lot of the items are pretty much the same thing, only in a different color, except for this button-down shirt, which my wife said hurts her eyes to look at. It's really soft. It fits pretty good. It's a little long, but you just tuck that in, you won't have any problems. It's actually meant to go under a sweater. And since they sent me 2 sweaters, let's try them both on because they're pretty much the same sweater, only different colors. So here's the blue sweater that looks just like the green one. It's got these 4 buttons in the front. It is also super soft and super comfortable. And this is the green one, which also looks pretty darn good, and it's a different color. It pops a little bit. It goes really well with the colors underneath the shirt. So I'm gonna button all these up and see what it looks like with all 4. It probably looks bad, but you have the button. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. If this were chest hair, you wanna show all the chest hair. So you decide, blue or green, or blue, or green, or blue, or green. I don't know what to do. Now it's time to try on the pants, which are pretty much the same pants, only blue and gray. So here's the blue ones. Super comfortable. I can do kicks in them. They're stretchy, they're flexible, they're like a material, so it's not like a jean or it's not like a slack. It's the same with the gray ones. So here's the gray ones. Also super comfortable, super flexible, smacking that ass. Oh yeah. But now, which one do you choose? Do you choose the blue or the gray? Or the blue or the gray? Keep it all. That's the end of this, is just keep it all. Try out Bombfell for free. Click on my link, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and the little like button, the little thumbs up, just because it's a nice thing to do. And tell me what videos you want me to do. I'm a fat guy with a lot of time on his hands. What do you, the Fat Guy Review viewer, want to see me do other than eat? Although, I could eat some stuff too. That sounds tasty. Bye!